A bicyclist travels 65.0 kilometers in 3 hours. What is the cyclist's average velocity in kilometers per hour? Well, if I notice, the first thing that I encounter in my question is 65.0 and then this unit kilometers. That makes it a given, and because it's in kilometers, I can call that a displacement. 65.0 kilometers. Now, I can either write it out or I can write it in the symbol format kms. If I keep looking, hey, 3.0 hours. Now that's a unit of time. That's a time measurement. So I'm going to call it time equals 3.0 hours. And then as I continue on, I get what is the cyclist's velocity? And then it goes on to tell me what units I need to solve velocity in. So velocity equals question mark, and in this case, you need to solve in kilometers per hour. Now, it might seem a little bit different, but what's cool is the equation remains the same. Velocity, it's the thing that I'm looking for, equals displacement divided by time. Now, I can simply replace the numbers that I have for the terms in the equation, and velocity equals, I don't want to put DISP, I want to put 65.0 divided by, and I don't want to write the word time, I want to put 3.0. Once again, I don't necessarily have to put the units here while I'm doing my math. 65.0 divided by 3.0. And you get a velocity of 21.66666666, and eventually my calculator doesn't have enough digits anymore, and so it gives me a 7. This is what's called a repeating number. Now, I want you to put your calculator answer here. This is good. This is your calculator answer. And it's kind of important. Right? But you need to include a unit as well, and right here is the unit, so I'm going to include kilometers per hour. To be honest though, it's kind of a mouthful, isn't it? So how about in phase class, why don't we do this? Why don't we write 21.6, and let's go to the second decimal place 7. So I'm going to round up a little bit and call it kilometers per hour.